hippo is missing. We don't know where he is. So we're gonna look for him, okay? We're sure it's okay, we just don't know where he went. So we're gonna take a look. Let me see your hippo. Let's try looking over there. Let's take big hippo steps to the side. And let's check all the way around. Did you see him? Let me see. Did you see him?
No.
I didn't see him. I didn't find him. Let's try the other way. Side. I'm sorry. And look all the way around. Did you see him? Me either. I didn't find him. You know the nickname for hippopotamus? For hippopotamus? Hippo, right? We just say hippo. And in Hebrew we say hippopotam. Can you say hippopotam? Hippopotam. Good job, you guys. So we better look for that baby because we don't know where he is. So we're going to say, where are you? We're going to say, AFO, AFO. Everybody say, AFO, AFO. Now look out for him and say, hippo, hippo, hippo. Okay, so let's look. Let's try it together. Ready, go. AFO, AFO, hippo, hippo, hippo. Let me see your hippos. Hippo's one way, hippo's the other way. Do it again. AFO, AFO, hippo, hippo, hippo. Hippy, hippy, hoppo, bum. Hippy, hippy, hoppo, bum. Let me see. Let me speak like that. Hippopotam, hippopotam. Wow, good hippo face. Nice, good face. Good, you're ready. There's one time in the dance when the big daddy hippo comes in. So you'll see how the daddy does it too. But I think you're ready. Should we look for him? With the music? Excellent. We are ready.
AFO.
So?
AFO.
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 Hippopotam. Body. Hippo face is perfect. Go side. Go side. All the way around. Look for him. Let's try the other side. Roll it around. Sing it, ready? AFO, AFO, hippo, hippo, hippo. Let's go to the side. One side. And the other side. Got it. Again. AFO, AFO, hippo, hippo, hippo. One way. And the other. Got it. Sing on. Hippopotam. Let's do that again. Hippopotam. You do 2 turns around. Try 2 turns. Again. Oh, let's go back. 2 turns. Whoa. All right, I'm going to hear you sing this time. Okay, ready? AFO, AFO, hippo, hippo, hippo. Good girl. This side. Other side. Again. Here we go. AFO, AFO, hippo, hippo, hippo. So maybe hiding somewhere really high up in the trees, on the sky. You guys see him? I didn't see him. Let's go back. Maybe he's like underneath. Maybe he's under chairs. Or down in the ground somewhere. Did you see him? I didn't find him. AFO, AFO, hippo, hippo, hippo. Hippo, hippo. Do it again. Ready? AFO, AFO, hippo, hippo, hippo. All right, my friends. Daddy hippo is your dog.
Oi, not me.
Really? Let me hear it. AFO, AFO, hippo, hippo, hippo. Nice job. Now raise your hand if you think you know where the baby hippo was hiding. Who has a guess about where he was? What do you think? In the ceiling. I hope not, because it might fall through. But that's a good guess. What do you think?
In the other room.
Oh, Oh, maybe he's in the other room. Who has another guess? What do you think? He's hiding behind a bush. He could be. He likes to be outside. What do you think? Under a chair, maybe. And then you're going to sit in the chair. Any other guesses? Any other ideas? What do you think? Where would a hippo hide if you were a baby hippo? Up there. Up there.
Oh, baby.
Okay. Nice. What do you think? Under the floor. Wow, that would be crazy. Do you know where he was that whole time? I'll tell you. We found him. He was in his bed. He was sleeping the whole time. But he heard us singing and he woke up. Guys, excellent job. Thank you for doing that. Very nice.